you doing? I'm Javier, and today we're getting into a great Valencian story, the Borgia story. Stay with me and discover in a unique way the numerous vestiges that this powerful family at the 15th and 16th century left in our hands. Travelling your way is like strolling through a spectacle of art, culture and history, beginning with the city of Valencia. The parish of San Nicolas is one of those places to which Alfonso de Borgia, later Pope, was linked. Today it is also known as the Sistine Chapel Valencian. Then, next to the cathedral and the Palace of the Courts, constitute the three greatest symbols of this family in the city of Turia. We travelled to the region of canals to reach the origins of Alfonso de Borgia. Particularly in 1378, he was born in this tower, known as the Tower of the Borgia, and was named Pope Calixtus III. Shall we continue? The town of Xàtiva is without doubt one of the most important places of the Borgia territory. We'll begin with this beautiful preserved square, which is the birthplace of Rodrigo de Borgia, also known as Pope Alexander VI. We can also enjoy the artistic heritage of Xàtiva in multiple places, such as the Collegiate Church, the churches of San Francisco and San Pedro, the Palau, or its impressive castle, where Diego de Borja, brother of San Francisco de Borja, was imprisoned and executed. We now come to Gandia to admire one of the most distinguished Borgian infrastructures, the Doge's Palace. In the 15th century, Pedro Luis de Borgia became the first Duke of Gandia. This palace had been the seat of the family for centuries. Shall we enter? The Doge's Palace can be visited inside to admire its numerous and elegant rooms, such as the Golden Gallery. In addition, we have the Collegiate Church of Santa Maria, granted by Alexander VI himself, and even offer interesting constructions such as the University of Gandia. Without overlooking a territory where tourism, gastronomy, landscapes and heritage are combined, the Borgian influence also reaches places like Lombay, where in addition to the Church of the Santa Cruz, every year a historical recreation known as the Borgia Market is celebrated during the month of January. Lastly, we also visited two monasteries that you will leave delighted. All this environment belongs to Cimat de la Vall Digna, open for visits throughout the year. While I say goodbye, I'll leave you with some pictures of San Jerónimo de Cotalba. Trust me, it's worth seeing. I hope you liked it. See you!